Welcome back. Now news from sports. On Monday, Srinivas Dempo completed 1 year as president of the Goa Football Association. October 24, 2010 had witnessed an intensely fought election between Peter Vaz and Dempo for the post. A year down the line, Dempo is quite satisfied with the progress GFA has made under its leadership. However, the GFA president feels that the job is far from done and the GFA has a long way to go to tick all its task boxes.
I am here with the GFA president, Mr. Srinivas Dempo, who completes 1 year today at the desk of the GFA president. Sir, first of all, how does it feel 1 year as a GFA president? You had earmarked a few things that you wanted to do as soon as you became the president. Are you happy with whatever you've achieved so far as a president?
I think, to be very precise, Nikhil, you were the one who was the first to interview me after, I took over as president exactly in the Mandavi Hotel when the elections. And if you vividly remember, we had, and when I say it's me, it's not only me, the new executive committee of GFA had clearly said that the priorities would be infrastructure development, youth development, and administrative reforms. And I think I cannot say we get full marks on this. We had a slow beginning. We had to iron out a lot of issues in the beginning. We didn't have a full-time secretary. We had to completely revamp the secretariat. So we began by inducting a fresh blood in Anup Abraham, who was given into charge of youth development. I am very happy to tell you that enough progress has been done on the youth development front with Anup being in charge. Recently the ASOP delegation was in Goa. They were very, very happy with Anup and also how GFA is responding. We have already chalked out a plan of having 20 centers by the end of next year. So basically adding another 8 centers. There are also a lot of rollout programs planned to involve not only the small boys and girls, but to roll out to involve the community. On the infrastructure development, I think there have been a lot of positive developments. With the support and help of executive committee, we have been able to have the coverings on the Duler Stadium. The next phase of development also has made progress. Just to brief you, the file has almost got cleared at the government level. There has been progress on, and we intend to start work, yes, in the next 2 to 3 months, we'll intend to start work with the new Duler Stadium. Also on the front of Fatoda, with GFA's persistent, efforts, and of course with the cooperation and support of government, we're finally going to see the floodlights because the tender has been allotted. And I was told by Mr. Prabhudesai that work is starting next week. Actual groundwork is starting by end of this week. So I think these are some of the positive developments. Of course, a lot needs to be done. 1 year is not enough. But I think, just to put it in the right phrase, with everyone's support, with the support of the club's executive committee, we've got a very experienced hand in Albert Colasso now. Everything seems to be on a proper rollout plan, which will get culminated at the end of the season. So I think from that perspective, the admin reforms also have happened.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji.
Prayag United's coach Sanjoy Sen has held the length of the grass responsible for his team's performance in Sunday's I-League clash. In the post-match conference, Sanjoy said the long blades of the grass was tough on his players' muscles. Meanwhile, Sporting Club the Goa's coach Akendra Singh felt his team could have easily won the match had his players not missed some easy chances against Prayag United.
Sanjoy Sen was a bit dejected as his team lost the lead 2 times in the match.
Leading by 2-1 and we conceded one silly goal, but that defensive lapse. So really disappointed, but congratulations to Sporting Club the Goa. They played exceedingly well, and as a first match, it's an away match. It's okay for the result actually. Overall performance, it's okay because this type of grass, okay, because the grass is a little bit too. It took a lot of pressure on the muscle power and all, because I feel the grass should cut a little bit because it is too long grass. Otherwise, there is no complaint.
On the other hand, Akendra Singh was relieved that new signing James Moga rescued them 2 times on the evening.
I have expected something, but my players played well, and today luck did not favor us. In the last minute, my player got a very beautiful chance, but it could not convert into goals. But my player did well.
You are saying luck did not favor or players did not perform?
No, luck did not favor me. Luck.
Your players had chances.
The first half also in the last part of the game, my striker Victorino got a very good chance, but it could not convert the goals. It is very hard luck, but okay.
A reporter from Fatodda, Samir Bhatt.
All Goa Open Rapid Chess Tournament 2011 was organized by Rotary Club of Margao. A total number of 125 participants took part in this tournament. President of the Goa Chess Association, Ashish Keni, told Prudent this annual rapid tournament helps players from all over Goa to gain some valuable match practice against quality players. The tournament was organized by Rotary Club of Margao under the aegis of the Goa Chess Association.
Around 30 to 40 rated Goan players took part in this tournament, which was the heartening fact about it. This annual event is organized to help players to get some on-board match practice. President of the Goa Chess Association, Ashish Keni, gave a few details of the tournament.
These type of tournaments help the players to get practice sessions with other players, and in this tournament almost 38-40 rated players are playing, which is a very good response. We got around 125 players, and among the top Goan players are playing in this tournament. And Rotary Club of Margao has had this tournament and it was inaugurated by Rotarian District Governor Avinash Puddal yesterday at 3 p.m. and it will get over today, and the prizes will be distributed at the hand of President of Rotary Club of Margao, Balkrishna Prapuddesai. This is one open category tournament, open rapid tournament, where all players can participate, irrespective of their age and irrespective of their standard. And we will be giving total cash prizes of around 15,000 rupees with trophies, and age category prizes also we give to encourage the young players.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Around 300 people have died and more than 1,500 people injured in a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in Turkey. The city of Erzurum was the worst hit, where dozens of buildings fell. Thousands of Turks have been sleeping outside in freezing conditions. Here are some of the visuals of the badly affected areas in Turkey. With this, we take your leave. Take care and goodbye.